Now, next we'll see about the relational operators with one example. As you can see, I have created the class relational operator. Again, I'm written in a main method. Like here also same. I've taken two values like 16 and 10. Now and start compare. When I try to compare, if 60, if result or if A is 16 and B is 10, then here start the comparison. If A is greater than B, then print the print A value. Either it will returns true. It will if A is greater than B, then result will be true. Otherwise, and next one more condition I have given. If A is less than B, then the output will come like output will come false. Now same like over here, like greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, not equal to B. Now see what next is, we have to compile, and after that we will close the program. See the output. Now if A is greater than B, it means true. Means what was the value? Once I'll open that this one once I'll open that editor, close this, just minimize it. And where is the output? I'll take out the output also. Now as you can see, first one is what the result, if A 16 and 10. Now if A is greater than B, the value will come true. If it is less than B, then value will come false. Same like if it is less than or greater than or equal to, A is greater than or equal to B, then the result will become true. Because one condition is matched over here. A is greater than B, A is 16 and B is 10. So in this condition, it means in this condition A is true. It is not equal to, but at least it is greater than B. So here the result is true. Now same like here, A is less than or equal to B. Yes, it is no. Why? Because A is not less than. A is not even less than B or not equal to B, so the result is always false. Means basically the relational operators, the result always become either true or false. So here also, if A is equal to B, means these two values are not equal. Means these two, as you can see, here's 16 and 10 is written, so it is not equal. Those here I am comparing A is equal to B, then the answer will come false. Why? Because it is not equal to B. Now the next is given, if A is not equal to B, then of course the result will come true. Why? Because it is not equal to B, so the result will be come true. Means basically the relational operator always returns the result, or always you can see its output either true or false. It will always returns either true or false. Okay.